Good day, kids! Our subject for today is science, and today I will discuss to you about protecting and conserving our intertidal zones and estuaries. I am Teacher Lani. What I need to know. In this module, you are expected to learn about the need to protect and conserve estuaries and intertidal zones. What's new? Direction. Look for old magazines or newspapers. Cut some pictures of activities that you think contribute to the destruction of the environment. Explain each picture of how it affects the environment. What is it? You learned in the previous lessons that intertidal zone and estuaries are homes to different kinds of living things. This makes them a vital place of the earth. These places are meant to protect by us, human beings. However, most of our intertidal zones and estuaries are already under threat. Some of them are being converted to buildings, malls, and others, while others are now extensively polluted by man's industrial activities. Thus, we should protect and conserve our environment now before it is too late. At home, as much as possible, avoid using synthetic fertilizers. Plants do not absorb them completely and can wash off our streams and waterways. Use natural fertilizers instead. Trimmed grass clippings from your lawn can be used as a natural fertilizer. Cut grass moderately. A little height can make the roots move deeper and may lessen erosion. Grow plants in your garden. Choose plants that are native to your area so that it would need less water and fertilizers. Dispose toxic products properly. Improper disposal may pollute coastal rivers and estuaries. Remind your parents to pump your septic tanks at least every 3 years. Use non-toxic pesticides, examples of which is a mixture of soap, water, and chili pepper. Excessive use of toxic pesticides can pollute nearby waterways. Look for natural alternatives to chemical-based household products, example of which are table salts and baking soda. Always clean up after your pet's waste. Never let their waste to be washed up to waterways and end up polluting our estuaries. At the beach. Leave our beaches clean. Always pick up your trash and dispose it properly. Do not disturb or keep animals that you found along the shoreline. Avoid using motorized boats in sensitive habitats. Use canoe or kayak if you want to snorkel near the coral reefs. When on a boat, avoid throwing your trash out to the sea. Estuaries are important because it filters dirt before the fresh water enters the seas or oceans. It also filters the salt from the seas and ocean before it enters the mouth of the river. It plays a vital role during storms since it serves as an exit point for floods. Can you imagine life without estuaries and intertidal zones? What I have learned. Direction. Make a poster enumerating the different ways of protecting and conserving the intertidal zones and estuaries. Make it catchy and colorful. What I can do. Direction. Write an essay on how you can protect and conserve the intertidal zones and estuaries. Modify true or false. Direction. Put a happy face if the statement is right and sad face if it is not. Change the underlined words to make the statement correct. Number 1. Synthetic fertilizers will bring no harm to the environment. Number 2. Proper disposal may pollute coastal rivers and estuaries. Number 3. Choose plants that are native to your area so that it would need less water and fertilizer. Number 5. Homeowners should be reminded to pump their septic tanks at least every 3 years. Number 6. Leave your trash in the beaches. Number 7. When on a boat, avoid throwing your trash out to the sea. Number 8. Roots of the plants can lessen soil erosion. Number 9. Humans can protect and conserve intertidal zones and estuaries. Number 10. Estuaries play a vital role during storms because it serves as an exit point for floods. Thank you, kids, and have a good day. I am Teacher Lani.